guys, it's me, Sharlene Mars. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I created this beautiful pink and orange eye look. It's great for the summertime. Like, it's bright, it's vivid, it's fun. So yeah, we're going to have fun this summer. Woo! Oh, by the way, check out my awesome shirt. It's one of my homegirls brands. Her name is Kayla. I'm going to put the link if you guys want to purchase it. I freaking love it. Like, I'm Latina, baby. I'm mixed. I got some sazon in me. Anyways, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's watch this freaking video. Mwah! Alright guys, to begin this look, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Using my finger, I'm going to tap in the product and blend it all over my eyelid. For this look, I'll be using NYX's Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. Using my Morphe M321 brush, I'm going to apply this shade on my crease. I'm going to be gently applying this shade in a sweeping motion, going from the inner corner of my eyelid to my outer corner. Don't worry if it looks sloppy. We're going to be blending this in later on. Right now, the goal is just to concentrate the shade right on the crease. Using my Morphe G18 brush, I'm going to apply this orange shade right on the edges of the pink. With the G18 brush, I'm now going to just gently blend the two shades together. I'll be doing this in small circular motion. Using my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to blend out the orange edges. Now going in with my Morphe G27 brush, I'm going to apply this red shade on my crease. Using my Morphe E27, I'm going to apply this shade right on the outer corner of my crease. This is a fairly large brush, so I'm just going to gently tap the shade right on the outer corner. Using my Morphe M421 brush and a little bit of Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to cut my crease midway. I'm just gonna follow the shape of my crease. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to use my Morphe G18 and apply this pink shade right on the outer corner of my eyelid. With my Morphe M433, I'm going to apply this shade right on the center of my eyelid. For this step, you can use any white eyeshadow, doesn't really matter which one. I'll be using my Morphe M167 brush to apply the white shadow right on the inner corner of my eyelid and kind of blending it in with the pink. For today's lashes, I'm going to use the brand LYFE in the style RAQUEL. I actually met the owner a few weeks ago and she was so freaking nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the eyelashes. Alright guys, now that my lashes are on, I'm going to do a winged using Kat Von D's tattoo liner. With my Morphe M561, I'm going to apply this shade right beneath my lower lash line. Using my MAC 239 SE, I'm going to apply this shade right beneath the pink. I'm now going to use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and apply it on my lower waterline. I'm now going to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and apply a little bit on my lower lash line. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I love you.